What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain 83 once again with another aircraft review. This time, Air Canada, Air Canada Boeing 767-333 in the 1/200 scale by Skymarks. Air Canada. Air Canada is a member of Star Alliance. I'm going to give you a tour. First starting off with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. The L1 door, the Air Canada tiles, and we got a bird right here. And the two Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines. Sad to say, this aircraft is no longer flying for Air Canada now. It's flying for Air Canada Rouge. And you're staring at the front of the aircraft. And got the registration right there. The world-famous maple leaf. Air Canada's customer code with Boeing is, Air Canada's customer code is 33. The APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes. Now onto the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The world-famous maple leaf. The registration of this aircraft. I'll give you a better angle of the aircraft. Like that. So let me pan the camera back a little bit. That's good. Come on, the wings. And two Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines up towards first class and the main galley. And last but not least, the cockpit. Air Canada had used the 767 on its main flight in 1983 when all of a sudden an Air Canada 767-233 just simply ran out of fuel and had to land somewhere, and landed at a bandit Royal Canadian Air Force base, and none of the passengers were not seriously injured. But Air Canada has used this plane on flights from Toronto and Vancouver to Minneapolis, Minnesota, Detroit Metropolitan, Chicago O'Hare, Los Angeles International Airport, Newark Liberty International, New York John F. Kennedy, Miami International, and Chicago O'Hare. Sorry, not Chicago O'Hare. Trying to think. Washington Dulles. Some of the destinations for Air Canada and DFW, Dallas-Fort Worth. But Air Canada had used the 767 on the flights to and from Toronto to Zurich. This aircraft has, this aircraft has since been replaced and was replaced by the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Okay, guys, that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, please check me out on YouTube. And anyway, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain 83 signing off for now.